Some vacuum cleaners have a nice little light on the front which just helps illuminate the dirt in front and the dark corners and spaces, but this one doesn't. So what I've done is I've attached a little head torch. You can actually pop this off for recharging or just slot it back on when you want to use it. Very simple, just turn it on, point the light at the floor and off you go. And it allows you to see into all the little dark corners and recesses that you might not see into, and it just helps you do a better job. Hope you like that little idea. Catch you later.